Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Audi TT 2-litre turbo. Now of course you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights on the front of this car. Then coming around to the side you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one. These are a 19-inch alloy, so I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear, you've also got full LED rear tail lights. It is a 2021 on a 70 reg, but coming in now into the tailgate. Now for a sports coupe, you do get quite a lot of room inside of the tailgate. You also get 50-50 split, flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming back out to the round, you'll probably notice that the spoiler is currently elevated, which does give it a more of a sporty feel. But just showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course, with this being a 3-door, you can pull this chair forward and it will reveal 2 seats in the rear. Not that there is much room, but still it is classed as a 4-seater. You've got ISOFIX mounting points in the rear as well. Then coming inside, we have your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've got your Audi MMI settings in the middle and your controls. So you do get your Bluetooth hands-free. You get your radio sources, so you get FM, DAB, and then on your media you get Bluetooth audio and auxiliary. You got your DSG gearbox in the middle. Your media controls are here on the left-hand side, and your engine start button is just here. You've got your auxiliary ports and 2 USB ports just down here in this cubby. We've then got your spoiler control just here with your traction control off, stop start off, and your drive select. So you can choose between efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Your air conditioning controls are within the vents, and then of course you can see we have your heated seat controls as well, which you can see just on there, like so. They are within the vents. To the steering wheel now, we've got your onboard computer controls on the left, where you can control the view. You have 2 different choices. On the right hand side we have your media controls, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Your cruise control is just below the indicator stalk just here, which you can see there. We've got a full virtual cockpit, so your radio and your media are all controlled within this display. So you press menu in the middle and you'll see the options will pop up here. Most importantly, as you can see, this car has done 30,155 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Audi TT, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.